Tyler. The pictures coming out of Haiti this evening are grim and disturbing. They were hit with a 7.0 magnitude earthquake. And these pictures are just heart-wrenching of some of the victims and what they're going through and living like. As people in America, Europe, Canada, and other countries across the world, it is our duty to help out those in need, those that do not have as much as we do. This can be accomplished by even making a small monetary donation to help out the victims in this earthquake. Instead of going out to buy coffee tomorrow at Starbucks, why not spend that $5 in a donation? 1 or 2 days of not going out to get coffee, and you can get fresh water and food to those that need it the most. If you're always on the go, or you don't have a lot of money, you can donate $5, $10 through a simple text message to any organization that you choose. Stay tuned with this video and we'll show you exactly what numbers to text. There are many ways you can donate to the cause. First, if you're on the go, just send a text to the Red Cross at 90999. Simply text the word Haiti and you will send a $10 donation. If you would like to send only $5, text the word Haiti to 25383 for the International Rescue Committee. That is a $5 donation. Or for direct relief, text Give 10 to 20222. That is a $10 donation, and on all of these again, the money will be charged directly to your cell phone bill. So you won't have to write a check, send email, or anything. Just simply send a simple text to the charity of your specific liking, and voila, you've just sent money. Well, if you don't text or you'd rather donate through the internet, go to google.com and click on Information, Resources, and Ways you can help the survivors of the Haiti earthquake. At that page, you will find all the information you need. You can donate to UNICEF and read about UNICEF's mission, or you can donate to CARE and read about their mission. Simply just click the donate button on either one and the amount that you wish to donate, and you'll be sent through Google Checkout. If there's other ways you would like to help, cash and other kinds of donations, you can go directly to the websites. These websites can be found and you can click on them and it'll take you directly to them. Google has also set up a crisis response center with a person finder that allows you to find people that were affected in the earthquake. Either you can push I'm looking for someone or I have information about someone and go about finding information from there. Also, if you're interested in any post-quake imagery, they have plenty of that here, and you can use an interactive machine. This interactive allows you to go right into Haiti, into the earthquake zone, and see some of the damage that happened to the earthquake, like zooming in on Port-au-Prince. And of course, there's more ways than that. You could just even go to redcross.org. There at redcross.org, simply click the Donate Now button. You can donate either to the International Response Fund or go directly to Haiti. If you want to go directly to the Haiti victims, you click that and you click Continue. There's also a bunch of other things that you can donate to. Simply fill out the information and your credit card, and you'll be on your way to donating to the Red Cross. Please, just take a moment to send a message or donate to the victims of this tragedy, as they have little or nothing. We'll leave you tonight with the faces of Haiti. For all of us here, At Tech9 and Tech Week, I'm Jacob Tyler. Thank you for watching.